In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Freshbooks account with your accountant. This process is essential for ensuring that your accountant can view and manage financial data smoothly without any hurdles. It's a straightforward task, yet it's important to get it right to maintain the security and integrity of your financial information. To start, you'll need to log into your Freshbooks account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Team Members. Click on this to proceed. This section is where you'll manage who has access to your Freshbooks data, making it the perfect spot to add your accountant. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Add Team Member. Go ahead and click on it. This action will allow you to add another user to your Freshbooks account. Once you're in the Add Team Member section, you'll be required to fill in some basic details to continue. You need to enter your accountant's name and email address carefully. Ensure that the email address you provide is correct, as this is where an invitation email will be sent. After filling in these details, you'll notice a button that says Invite. Click on Invite, and you'll be brought to a new window where further configuration is required. In this new window, you'll need to select the role you wish to assign to your accountant. Freshbooks offers different levels of access, so it's crucial to choose a role that fits what your accountant needs to do. Once you've decided on the role, click Send Invitation. This action will immediately send an invitation email to the email address you provided earlier. Your task is almost done. Now, your accountant will receive an email invitation. It's worth noting that this email might take a few minutes to arrive, so if it doesn't show up right away, don't worry. When your accountant receives this email, they'll just need to accept the invitation. Upon accepting, they'll have access to your account, complete with the specific permissions you've assigned. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient way to collaborate with your accountant using Freshbooks. Not only does this method save time, but it also ensures that your financial management is both streamlined and secure. Before you wrap up, double-check that you've given the correct level of access to safeguard your financial information appropriately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide proves helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your finances effectively.